Hey guys, Pete from Pete2Cents.com, February 12th, 2010. It is 1 o'clock in the markets. The market, pre-market, crashed at 72 points in the negative for pre-market. We opened the gate, still crashing down. And then we started thrusting down to 121. I saw buying volume coming in. So with that said, I put out several tweets, not to get too rattled by this dip. And actually, I tweeted out to buy the dip. Okay, and that's exactly what happened. We thrust it down to over three digits, 121 points down on the Dow. We stabilized at 121, and then we started rebounding and bouncing back. And we went almost into positive territory. I think we were down 10 points or something, almost in the green. And then now we're currently Dow 50, S&P 4 negative, both negative, and Nasdaq is right flat, turning between green and red. You'll see the chart that I got up here. It's a 6-month S&P 500, which professionals follows, including ourselves and myself. Okay, and you'll see here the trend is holding. As I've been saying for the last week and a half, we need to hold above 1050, 1060. 1060 being the new number because that's where we had an upward trending. All right, and you'll see we're currently at 1073, so we're in good shape. These are other support lines that we're showing here. I'll bring it in a little closer so you see what I'm talking about, and you'll see it's perfectly a nice trend. You'll see some moves that were higher, some moves that were lower, but it didn't close lower than the lower lows, so that's good. We didn't break this trend so far, so we're at 1073.74. We pulled back a little bit from the previous day. I think we're going to keep going into the 1080, 1090s. 1100, we got some resistance here, and then we just got to play it by ear. You know, this is a ladder game, in my opinion. That's the way I trade. You ladder up, you ladder down. Don't over, leverage yourself. Buy too many shares. I mean, if you got a profit, take it off the table. We're still, but there is still a lot of bears out there, a lot of hedge fund companies that want to kill this market, as usual. That's the way they make money. But they make money a little bit, let's call it in a gray area. They'll put out negative press releases. They'll pay a lot of journalists off. And that's hearsay, maybe not the high income journalists, but they do it. I mean, you can pick up a lot of books on that, and the rumor mill is off the shelf. So without getting into too much politics of Wall Street, this is where we stand. I think we're going to go higher. I'm still overly bullish. We're doing pretty good. Just watch that 1060 number. If you got to use some stop orders, use them, not a problem. Take profits off the table. I can't tell you more than enough. When you take the profits off the table and you get your stock to dip, buy it back or buy some more. Build your position until you get significant profits, then you dump it again. And you keep doing that as the stock improves and as the stock increases in price, as long as the fundamentals don't change. If the fundamentals don't change or you don't have a catastrophic news event, you're good to go, and this is all technical trading. Okay? Let's go to today's stock pick, which is going to be one of my favorites as well, an oldie but a goodie. Let me pull it up there. And you'll see it's CSX. This is the rails. The rails show the significant trend in the economy of a country, of any country. Usually when the rails are doing good, the economy is doing good. And as you see here, again, this is a 6-month chart for CSX. It was trending upward, and it crashed and burned a little bit, and we are turning within the last couple of days, trending upwards. I was looking at this the last couple of days. I was going to recommend it, but I said, let me wait a little bit, see if the 5-day turns. The 5-day is finally turning. I'll pull it in a little closer. You see we are creating a nice trend, and here we are. This is the 5-day. We're going to thrust through to the 21-day, and then we should get some serious momentum through the 50-day. So this stock, pulling it back a little bit more, this stock can play up to $50, $52 without a blink. This is a strong stock. It could even go above and beyond into the 70s. All right, guys, Pete from Pete2Cents.com. Check out the blog. I got the watch list up there. If you don't like these recommendations, I got a bunch of others. Okay, guys? Thank you very much. I'll talk to you very soon.